Okay, here comes the second mix. I think I'm going to base this on nothing but pure snow. So let's see how this one comes out. This one is Quinceanera. I'll use Glitter Unique's Iridescent. Throw it all in there. I doubt it. Some hollow white circles. Throw it all in there. Some more iridescent. How about some shreds? Or should I say tinsel? Throw it all in there. How about some silver beads? These little tiny little, they look like silver to me. Oh, maybe I'll use these instead. How about that? Throw it all in there again. Some more Martha Stewart hearts. The Sugar Cube stars. Crystal diamond. What's this called? Marlar, I think that's what it is. Let's stir it up. See what it looked like. Oh, it's so pretty. Still want a little bit of silver or something. Okay, Recollections. Put some more tinsel in there. Recollections, tinsel glitter, silver. Ooh. Add some more of this from Diva Collections. Phew. That made me thirsty. Very good. Iridescent stars. Oh heck, throw it all in there. Why not? Okay, that's my second mix. I think I'm going to stop there. Let me pick it up for y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Do you think all white will be okay for now? I don't know. I think it looks beautiful, but I think it would if you put it on real lightly. Or maybe even heavy will look pretty. It's so beautiful. Alrighty. I think I'll call it Pure Snow. Okay, I'll be back.